Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we are going to go right along with our bending. Now, last time that I saw you, we did a bending video on box offsets. And I told you, if you remember, that I'm going to show you what I would consider an easier, faster route. Without all the measurements, you just go. Now, this is what I'm going to suggest. Whatever way you decide, you stick with it. Only because whatever you decide to do, from now until the time you quit being an electrician, you want to have everything look very identical. You want it to look very good, very uniform, like you meant to do it like that. Because conduit, I take very serious. I like to know when I leave, when people walk by, I'm like, man, that guy knows what he's doing. Or that girl, man, she knows what she's doing because she really took her, time. So we are going to learn the way that I learned. I never knew those measurements. Now, if you're not even familiar with what I'm even saying, you didn't watch that video, at the very end of this video, I will link it in a card so you can see it, because it is important, especially if you want to have everything uniform and you just want to use measurements. No problem with that. I 100% am fine with that. But if you decide to do it my way, stick with it. Because in the long run, when you're in a Walmart or you're in a Home Depot or wherever you're working and you have a whole wall full of box offsets, receptacles coming down a wall, or even in a school like this, you want to have everything look exactly the same. So when you're looking around, you're like, man, must have been 12 people here because they're all different box offsets. So I'm going to show you the real easy way, like I said, that I was taught, and we're going to go from there. So stick around, buckle up, get your bender out, and let's go down this rabbit hole. Piece of pipe. This is just a little short piece of pipe. Now, if you can't bend a short piece of pipe like this, it's about, what, maybe almost 3 foot-ish, a little under 3 foot. But I can bend it because obviously I'm bigger and I got a little bit more oomph. So this is the way that I did it. This is the way that I'm going to show you. It sometimes will mess up. Not usually, because when you start dialing them in, it's good to go. Now, on this table down here, I'm going to show you, I screwed a box to the table so we can plug this in and see if it goes in without any hiccups. So I'm going to turn the camera back around. I'm going to come over here and bend it. I'm going to tell you the way I do it. So easy. So get ready. So you take your bender, and a couple things. We're going to put the pipe in the bender. Now, your finger, this is where I'm going to tell you with no measurements. You see there's not a single measurement on this pipe. But you take your finger, you put, this is the way I do it. I put my second knuckle, so right here at the second bend, I put it right here in the hook, just like that. Okay? And what I do is I put the conduit in here like this, and I put, see if I can hold it. I put the conduit right there at the hook, and I put the pipe right at the end, so it lines up perfectly. Now, that's my first bending point. So put it back in there, make sure it's lined up. We're going to pull it down to right around 5-ish. Just about there. The key with this one is we have to know where the middle of your bend is. Now, this takes some getting used to, but pretty much when you take this and slide it down, you'll see where the bend is. And we have to turn this 180 degrees. I can see where the bend is. I'll do the same thing. I'll put this hook right there, and I will put my fingertip right in the middle of this bend. I'll look down this pipe, make sure it is not going to get a dog leg. Looks good. And I'm going to bend it yet again to about the same amount I did last time. So that should be a box offset. So let's take it around over here and see what happens. Damn near perfect. Let's look. I did it just like this. Handheld, I didn't fudge anything. And this is the other offset I did right here. Last time. It goes right in. They look almost identical, doesn't it? Look at that. I mean, all the bends are pretty well lined up. Pretty crazy how that works. I have to say that either way you do it, stick with one or the other. You know, your finger is not going to change. Your finger, unless you cut it off, you know, is not going to change. It's going to be the same length pretty much throughout your whole career, unless for some reason you cut it off. And don't do that, because that'd be bad. But, you know, there's no marks on my pipe where there is on the other one. You know, most journeymen don't want you to use a Sharpie. You know, luckily for me, I was okay. My journeyman didn't really care. It's kind of the way he taught me. But I mean, you can look at these two pieces of pipe and it's almost identical. The bends are almost in the same spot. It's hard for me to, there you go. I mean, it's hard for me to judge which one's which if I took the Sharpie marks off. So your finger is a very good indicator of how to bend a box offset. So remember, if you guys want to see the correct way with math and marks, how to do it, check right here coming up. That is a video with the math in it. You can see exactly how to do it. I will catch you in that video. If this video or any of my other videos have given you any value, smash that thumbs up, guys, because it does help my channel. Leave me a comment down below if you want to see anything, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Have a great day.